Hello everyone, we are doing example 24 on page number, let me write down, page number 435 from Ncert. Okay, so they are saying a machine, if correctly set up, it produces 90% acceptable item. So that means 10% are not acceptable products. If it is incorrectly set up, then 40% are acceptable. Okay. Past experiences shows that 80% setups are correctly done. So let's make a diagram. Okay, setup. So some are done correctly and some are done incorrectly. ठीक है, तो 80% are done correctly, so that means 20% are not done correctly. Out, if correctly done, then how many pieces are acceptable? 90%. If first product you pick up, so you will check 90% chances, then they are correct. So that means not acceptable will be how much? 10%. Correct? Those we don't need it. Now, if incorrectly set up, so how many pieces are acceptable? They are saying only 40% is acceptable because efficiency will be low. Correct? And not acceptable will be how many then? 60%. Correct? So this is the flow chart that we will get out of question. Now they are saying you are, after setup, you are taking out two items which both are acceptable. Okay, both are acceptable, so you have to find the probability that it was correctly set up. Understood? So remember, there are two products. So one product probability is 9 by 90 by 100. This is for one, and for the second product that you are picking will also be 90 by 100 chances. Correct? Here, if acceptable item, two are there, first and second item is this, and the second item, because probability of acceptable item remains same, 40%, right? 40 out of 100. Since we are taking two products, that's why I am using it twice, acceptable item. Okay, so what are they asking? They're asking probability that machine is correctly set, and what is the condition? Both are acceptable item. Correct? This is they are asking. So formula will be total favorable by total. So this is the formula, favorable by total after condition. And what is the condition? Condition is that the both products are acceptable. So this is the one possibility, that correctly set up and acceptable, or second possibility, incorrectly set up and acceptable. These two are possibility. Out of that, this is favorable because they want that machine is correctly set up and though both products are acceptable, good products. So this one is favorable, the top one. Okay, so these two are possibilities. Out of that, top one is favorable. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So it will be production of the first one setup and both are correct item. So acceptable 90 by 100 and 90 by 100, and may we will use into, or means plus, or means we always add, and means we always multiply. Correct? This is what I am following. So if it is wrongly set up, 20% chances, and both are acceptable, to 40 by 100 for first product and 40 by 100 for second product. Out of these two, the first one is favorable, this one. So 80 by 100 into 90 by 100, 90 by 100, this is acceptable. Okay, this is clearly Bayes theorem we are applying. So how much will you get? 100, 100, 100, everywhere is same cut. Okay, now see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros are common out and cut. So it is 8 into 9 into 9, 8 into 9 into 9 plus 2 into 4 into 4. So what we will get is 4 2s are, this is 4 2s are 8, and this 8 and 8 we can cancel. So we are getting 81 by 81 plus 4, which is 81 by 85. This is my answer. Correct? If you simplify, it will be 0.95. So till here, this is the correct answer. I hope you understood how I cancel it. Right? So this is the question based on Bayes theorem. You try to solve it again. I will start miscellaneous exercise question number 1, which is very easy question. Shall we do it? They are saying A and B are events such that PA is not equal to 0. Means it has some value. So we have to find probability. First answer, probability of B when A has happened. So probability of A intersection B by PA. This is the formula for conditional probability. You know, this denominator A probability goes down. Always remember. Okay. Now in first case they are saying A is subset of B. A is subset of B means inside B A is sitting. A is inside B. So if I take A intersection B, what I will get is A only. And intersection means what is common to both is A only. So probability of A intersection B will be probability of A only. Okay? So what will be conditional probability? Will be, here I am putting this value, I am putting here in this. So A intersection B is PA by PA. So this is 1. This is the answer. Okay, I hope got it. This is the first part. Let's do second part. This is second part. They are saying A intersection B is 5. So that means probability of A intersection B should be what? 0. 5 matlab nothing is common. So probability of A when B has happened, what is the general formula? A intersection B by, I'm sorry, they were asking A B when A has happened. Okay, so here will be PA. This comes down. So intersection, we just did it. How much is the intersection probability? It is coming out to be 0 by PA. So answer is 0 because whatever is PA does not matter. So we got two answers here. First one is 1 and second one is 0. Okay. Second question, let us see. This is a good question. Miscellaneous is important for board exam. So let us read first question. A couple has 2 children. 2 children means what are the possibilities? It may be male male, or male female, or maybe female male, or maybe female female. So 4 possibilities are there. Correct. Now they saying find the probability that both are male. At least one children is male. Okay. So at least, first let me do at least one male. So what are the possibilities? Male, female, female, male, or male, male. These are the possibilities. These are after condition. If you apply the condition, these are the total possibilities. And what do you want? That both are males. So which one is favorable? Favorable is only this one. So what will be the probability that both males after condition will be 1 out of 3, because possibilities after condition is 3 only. Out of 3, 1 is favorable. Correct? Out of 3, only 1 is favorable. So this is the answer. Okay. Let's try second part. Probability that both are female given that the elder one is female. So what is the condition? So let me write down after condition. What is the condition? That elder is female. So it may be female male or maybe female female. Only these two are possible. So which one is favorable? They want that both are female. So तो this is the favorable only one condition out of two. Na? Two are total, these are total, and this is only favorable. Correct? So what will be the conditional probability? Conditional probability that both female, given that elder is female, so it will be 1 by 2 because only 1 out of 2 is there. ठीक है? Easy question tha. Let's do quickly one more. Please note down the answer. Just one more question we will do. They are saying 5% men and 0.25% have a gray hair. Okay. A gray haired person selected random. Okay. What is the probability that this person being male? Assume that there are equal number of males and females. Let's make a flow chart. Okay. So here, let me write how many people are there. There are equal number of men and equal number of women. That's what they are saying. Equal means half probability. Okay. Out of men, how many have gray hair? 5%. So remaining will be not gray. Okay. We are not interested for not gray, so I will not write. For women, how many women have gray hair? Only 0.25%. Correct? And how many have not gray? We are not interested. No need to write also. Okay? So we need to find probability of what? What is the probability that person being male, what is the given condition? Gray haired person is taken. This is the condition, that person is gray haired. Probability that it is male. So what is the probability that it is male and condition is gray hair? Yes, this is the condition. So we need to take total how many people have gray hair. Out of that we need to take which one is favorable. Okay, because favorable by total. So how many people have gray hair? So first thing, they have to be men and have gray hair, or they are women, they have gray hair. This is total possibility. Out of that we need, this is the favorable, that they are men and they have gray hair. This is the favorable case. Correct? So let me take, they are men and gray hair, or means plus, or they are woman, okay, and gray hair, which is this. Correct? Out of that, which one is favorable? The favorable one is top one. Okay, they are men and they have gray hair. Gray hair probability is 5 by 100. This is Bayes theorem. The fundamentals I have explained in the last exercise. So you can check out those videos. So let me just simplify it. Or means we always take plus. Correct? So here 200, 200, 200 we can see. So I am getting 5.25. Okay? So what is the answer? It will be 5 by 5.25. Decimal you remove 0 0. है ना? Cut it by maybe 5. So 100 by 5 ones are 5 and then 0. 5 5s are. Remember when we are cutting this by 5 is 5 ones are 5. 0 0 will be there and 5 5s are this. Again cut by 5. 5 2s are and 5 2s are 1. So answer is coming out to be 20 by 21. This is my final answer. Okay. See you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye everyone.